Hello everyone, my name is Manesh Swami. I lead the creative services team at LogicServe Digital. So work from home is become the new normal. That's the only solution we as individual can offer to this grave situation which is out there. Yes, we have slightly changed the way we work. Creative teams are supposed to brainstorm together, get into huddles and come up with great solutions for clients. Yes, all that is happening, but now it's kind of happening virtually. So it's no rocket science. You have to be mentally and physically fit in the so-called lockdown scenario. We as a family has been working out together. We do a little bit of dancing. Most important part of my daily routine is spending some time with myself, where you kind of introspect, do a little bit of meditation for 15-20 minutes. That really helps me clear my thoughts and plan my day a little better. So I'm also treating this lockdown period as a blessing in disguise, where I'm spending time with my son, watching movies, playing with him, setting up his Lego toys, doing a lot of painting, sketching exercises with him. I see him smiling throughout, so that makes my day. So planning my calendar has become one of the most important part of my weekly routine. Apart from connecting with my colleagues, my team, my clients, I've also made sure that I plan my breaks very well with my family, whether it is tea time with my son having snacks, or whether it is lunches with my wife, kind of helping me deliver better throughout the day. Because in this current scenario, you're ending up at least spending 12 to 15 hours daily. Little break, go a little longer. Nobody could have been prepared for for a situation like this, but I think we are learning, and we did pretty decent. My CEO speaks to the entire 300 plus team morning between 10:15 to 10:30, where he goes live, on a stream, and he apprises the team about in the industry, checking on health updates about the team members and their family, kind of planning the road ahead, which is very very important. It was initially a little challenging, but of around 3 to 4 big pitches in the last 21 days. But yes, thanks to the collective effort from the team, we've been doing decent. How to be sane in this current scenario? Secret trick is take mini breaks throughout the days, where I doodle, I sketch a little bit, I listen to music, I paint. So as a company, also kind of doing these initiatives where there is an informal tea time session with our colleagues, where the entire teammates they just join the call, talk about everything else apart from work. And by the end of the session, you see people with smiles logging off. Recharger moment of sort, where you can go back to the remaining part of your day. Added some new skill sets in my portfolio. Thought I'll be doing something like this in my daily schedule. One of them is washing dishes. It's also become my new me time of sorts. While I'm at it, I do house party calls with my besties. Just create small conversations and rant about it on social media, and have a little fun with my friends. It's also my way of helping my wife, do the household chores. Yes, we are optimistically waiting for things to get better and go back to the normal that we all know. But we also know that there will be a new normal post the COVID situation whenever it ends soon. I'm sure we as human beings and as a community and as an industry, we will bounce back again. Just hang in there, be safe, stay at home.